Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this a small video at the end of the week. Today is Saturday morning, so let's get started. Just showing the trades taken by the system, Magic Abbey system. So let's see. The week started on the 5th of August. Okay, and this is one of the first trade. On the 5th early day opening, and after that it's gone because it was on because of the euro strength in the air. Euro was bouncing from it's making a harmonic pattern. So anyway, so that's euro strength brought something else as well. EUR-CAD went up, beautiful up move. All euro pairs went up actually. So this was an entry, this was a beautiful entry, this was a beautiful entry. So and now here you can see EUR-AUD as well. Was from here it went up, and I held it because I knew where the heck it's going. So and then these were also very good entries, by the way. So but this is how on the 5th there was something else as well. EUR-AUD, another one. See, after that closed the trade, and then here from the top all the way to the upside again. It is also this August the 5th, right? Late. Is all because the euro strength. Then on the 6th, pound Aussie, it was actually, see this on the 6th, the entry is also on the 6th, but now we are getting bigger moves coming in, and the daily range is increasing. So because the slow time is gone now, June and July is finished, and now we are stepping into the August. So you will see more and more me taking 20-minute setups now, and big trades will happen. So this is pound Aussie going for big right, and this is where I closed this one and then shorted, because you see this is a beautiful short setup here. Okay, so and you will see probably later on that trade. And on the 6th here, EUR-AUD, right? This is also on the 6th. Euro made the turn. Aussie started getting strong, and all week long Aussie was getting strong then. And see, this is the what I'm talking about. I closed that one, the long one, and then this is the one I took here, right there, short, and look, okay, that's what happened. I think this is what I have written here is wrong. 20 minutes, this move probably like a lot of people, but this is, I think, 7-minute chart entry, or maybe 20 minutes. I'm mistaken. Anyway, so see pound Newsy here. You see that? That's big. This is definitely 7-minute. Because so long. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you make an entry, and that in June it used to be like you make an entry on the 7-minute chart, and all day long it will probably travel up to here. That's it. All this one. Now you can see this movement, right? Big movement, up and down and up and down, and going all the way long distance. So that's good opportunities are coming back now. And on the 8th, pound Aussie short, you can also see that this is also beautiful entry. This one, then this one, then this. It's a lot of entries, huh? And then on EUR-CAD, euro start turning to the downside again. Once the pattern is finished, it was going up to finish the Gertley pattern, and then it start dropping. So EUR-CAD 8 on the 8th, beautiful short setup, and gone with the wind. On the 8th, EUR-AUD, because of again euro turning to the downside, there was up, and then all of a sudden big move, and then start to come down here, right? So this is the first one, and then later on you will see from the other account, you will see another one. This is the one I took, this one as well, from the 20-minute chart. So that's on the 8th. And on the 9th, pound Aussie, again, like I said, the Aussies keep getting strong now, and beautiful systematic by the book entry here. And here we go to the downside. I couldn't close on time. I was hoping that will go probably more down, but it just bounced from there. And then pound yen, and beautiful by the book entry here as well. This was the first entry which I missed, and then the second entry, and 115 pip. Like I said, that more and more 20-minute setups are coming. And this is I think this is it. So these are the trades we're taking using this Magic IB system. And if you like what you see, you just saw here, then just go on my website, subscribe. This is my name of my website, myforexmagicwave.com. You will have a link below the video in the description section, right? You can go there, subscribe, and start trading. If you have any problem setting up the charts or anything, I will get on the Skype and then guide you one-on-one, and I will provide all the EAs, the indicator, and everything, right? So it will be everything for you. And then I do webinar Wednesday and Sunday, live webinars, which I will be doing on Sunday to get subscribers prepared for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday evening I do another webinar, and then that would be for Thursday and Friday, which I cover what happened and what to expect next couple of days. So this is how it is. So like I said, if you want to be a part of it, just go on my website and take it from there. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.